Hello students, I hope all of you are doing perfectly well and welcome to Textbook Super Coaching. So in today's lecture, we're going to be talking about a question which came in GATE 2018. So it's a GATE 2018 question. So let's see what the question says. It says the energy dispersion relation for electrons in a 1D lattice with lattice parameter A is given by Ek is equals to E naught minus half W into cos k, where W and E naught are constants. Effective mass of the electron near the bottom of the band is equals to what? देखो dispersion relation अगर दिया गया है, that is E of k, that is equals to E naught minus W by 2 cos ka. Then the problem is easy because we know that for effective mass the formula is h cut square divided by d2e dk2. So I would be needing to find out this value. Now, if this is your E, so dE dk will be actually equals to W by 2 into A sine Ka. And if I'm asked to find out d2E dk2, so I could have just say, okay, fine. So this was like A W by 2, fine, sine Ka. Okay, fine. So if I just do a second differentiation, so it would just become equals to W by 2 A square. Sine would again become cos K. Now this thing will be just equals to h cut square divided by W square by 2 cos K. W square divided by 2 into cos of K. Now what they have asked? They have asked कि what is the effective mass of the electron near the bottom of the band. So we know at the bottom of the band we know k is equal to 0. So if you just put k equal to 0, you're gonna get h cut square divided by w a square in divided by 2 into cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree equals to 1. So the answer is 2h cut square divided by w a square. Do we have any option like this? 2h cut square by w square? Option A is correct. So this was the question that came on GATE 2018. If you need to know more such concepts like this, then please let me know in the comment section. And let's meet you on the next session. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.